Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So after installing this update, that is KB5065426, if the Wi-Fi is not working or if the Wi-Fi option is missing from here, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to reinstall Wi-Fi driver. Now for this, make a right click on the start menu, go to device manager, and then expand network adapter over here. And over here you will see your Wi-Fi adapter. So make a right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and then click on update driver. Click on browse my computer for drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then you can select your Wi-Fi adapter and then click on next and let the installation complete. Once installed, now you can connect to your Wi-Fi and then check. If that does not work, again make a right click and then go to device manager, expand network adapter once again, and then this time select your Wi-Fi adapter, make a right click, click on uninstall device, and then click on uninstall. Do not put a check over here, just click on uninstall over here. Now once you uninstall it, restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer, and when you restart your computer and when you try to connect to your Wi-Fi, so I have not restarted, make sure that you restart your computer, and after the system restart you can connect to your Wi-Fi. It will be asking for your Wi-Fi password, so I'm not restarting right now, but make sure that you restart your computer. So network adapter. Now once you restart your computer, you will see your Wi-Fi adapter back to device manager. Now you can try to connect to your Wi-Fi. It will be asking for your Wi-Fi password, so enter your Wi-Fi password over here and then you can check. Still not working. In that case, you can uninstall the update. So after installing this update, if you're facing this problem, you can go to Windows Update and then go to update history over here and scroll down, click on uninstall updates, and over here you will see KB5065426. click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall and let the uninstall complete. After the uninstall, make sure that you restart your computer. Restart is a must after this. After you uninstall the update, after the system restart, you can open Windows settings once again. After you uninstall it, restart, and then you can turn off the option which says get the latest update as soon as they are available. Turn this off, and then also you can pause the update for maybe 1 week, 2 weeks. You can select the period which you want, and then you can connect to your Wi-Fi and then check. In future, whenever you want to install latest update, you can always click on resume updates and then you can install future update. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.